Hey beauty stars! Are you looking for beauty products that both kids and adults can use and love? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 10 beauty products that are perfect for all ages. Whether you're 10 or 40, these products will leave your skin happy, healthy, and glowing. Trust us, you and your family will love them. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Using the same beauty products as your family can be fun and practical. Why buy separate stuff when some products are gentle enough for kids and powerful enough for adults? This list will help you pick the best options that are safe, effective, and perfect for all ages. Let's check out these must-haves. Number 1 on our list is a gentle face cleanser. Cleansing your skin is super important, but some face washes can be too harsh for kids. That's why we recommend a gentle cleanser like Cetaphil or CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. These are great for both kids and adults because they're fragrance-free, super mild, and leave your skin feeling fresh without drying it out. Next up, we've got a moisturizing face lotion. Everyone needs moisture, but no one likes feeling greasy, right? We recommend Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. It's super lightweight and hydrating, perfect for dry skin without being too heavy for kids. It's great for after cleansing to keep skin soft and happy all day long. Number 3 is one of the most important products you can own: sunscreen. Whether you're playing outside or just walking around, the sun can damage your skin. Blue Lizard Kids Mineral. Sunscreen is a great pick for the whole family. It's gentle for kids and protects adults too. Always go for SPF 30 or higher. And remember, sunscreen isn't just for the beach. It's for every day. Lip balms aren't just for chapped lips. They're for keeping your lips soft and smooth too. Our 4th pick is a lip balm like Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm. It's made with natural ingredients, which makes it safe for both kids and adults. Plus, it comes in yummy flavors like strawberry and vanilla, so everyone will love it. Number 5 is all about keeping your skin soft and smooth from head to toe. Aveeno Daily. Moisturizing lotion is gentle enough for kids but hydrating enough for adults, especially if your skin tends to get dry. It's fragrance-free and absorbs quickly, so you can get dressed and go. Let's not forget hair care. Tear-free shampoos like Johnson's Baby Shampoo aren't just for babies. They're gentle and effective for everyone. It's perfect for kids because it won't sting their eyes, and adults love it because it leaves hair feeling clean and fresh without stripping away moisture. Plus, who doesn't love the smell of a shampoo that's gentle and safe for the whole family? Next up is a true skincare superhero. Multi-purpose ointments like Aquaphor Healing Ointment are perfect for everything from dry spots to cuts and scrapes. It's gentle enough for kids and tough enough for adults who need that extra moisture or skin protection. Keep it around for any little skin emergencies. Face masks aren't just for grown-ups. They can be a fun treat for kids too. Try a hydrating face mask like Yes to Cucumbers for a quick refresh. It's gentle on young skin and relaxing for adults, so you can both enjoy a little spa day together. You'll feel like a beauty queen, or king, in no time. We use our hands all day long, so it's important to keep them soft and moisturized. That's why hand cream like Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream is a must-have for both kids and adults. It's rich but not greasy, and it keeps your hands feeling soft even after washing them a bunch of times. Last but not least, let's talk about hair. If you've ever had tangles in your hair, you know how annoying they can be. But with detangling sprays like L'Oreal Kids Tangle Temere, brushing your hair can actually be fun. It's gentle on kids' hair and works wonders for adults too, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and smooth. No more ouchies. And there you have it. Our top 10 beauty products that are kid-friendly and grown-up approved. Whether it's keeping your skin soft, protecting from the sun, or making hair care fun, these products are perfect for the whole family. Make sure to check out the links in the description for our top recommendations. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more fun beauty tips. See you next time, beauty stars.